Hello friends, I am Dr. Vishweshwaran. I am working as a consultant interventional pulmonology and sleep medicine specialist at Yashoda Hospitals, Malakpet in Hyderabad. So as we all know, we are currently going through the COVID-19 pandemic, which is caused by a RNA virus, which we call it as the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The first virus case was identified in Wuhan in China in December 2019. Following that, the World Health Organization declared it as a public health emergency in January 2020, and it was then declared as a pandemic in March 2020. As of now, we have 126 million cases throughout the world with 2.7 million deaths, and it is considered to be one of the worst pandemics of viral infections in the world. The important question is, how does this virus spread? So this virus spreads mainly through the respiratory route, that is in the form of an aerosol or in the form of a droplet infection. So droplet infection means whenever a person coughs, he releases some amount of secretions, and these secretions goes and gets deposited on the table or other inanimate objects, or whenever you cough, when you keep your hand over your mouth, these droplets remain in contact with your hand. So whenever you shake your hand or you touch a surface that is contaminated with this viral droplet and you take it to your eyes or to your nose or to your mouth, then you are capable of getting an infection. This is what we refer to as a droplet spread of infection. Apart from that, we have something referred to as the aerosol route of infection. Aerosol means there are very small tiny droplets that are produced which remain suspended in the air. So even when you leave that place, these virus remain suspended in the air. So when the next person comes and inhales this air, this virus enters into the respiratory tract and it is capable of causing a pneumonia. This is what we refer to as the aerosol spread of infection. So this is understanding the spread of virus is very important, because this is the reason why we advise patients to avoid contact, to maintain a social distancing and to sanitize your hand repeatedly, because these droplets should not spread from one person to the another person. And one important problem right now we are facing in India is that we have something referred to as a double mutant variant COVID virus. So this double mutant variant COVID virus consists of two mutations in what we refer to as the spike protein. It is with this spike protein that the virus enters into the body. So now there are two mutations, that means two genetic alterations that are occurring in the spike protein of this virus, which enables this virus to spread more rapidly from one person to another person, and it is also capable of evading your normal immune response. So right now is the most important time where we have to maintain social distancing so that we prevent the transmission of the droplet from one person to another person. We should wear the mask and we should keep sanitizing our hands repeatedly, and we should try to avoid closed spaces, because these virus remain suspended in the air for a longer period of time in the closed spaces, and try to avoid gathering more than 50 people, because more the number of the people are there, more is the chance of you getting infected. Try to avoid any long distance closed travel, like in the form of air travel for our unnecessary reasons, apart from that when it is essential. And always try to wear a mask, because when you cough, these droplets can be prevented from spreading from one person to another person by wearing the mask. So if we take all these precautions properly, then probably we can even get over this double mutant variant form of COVID virus, which is currently circulating in the Indian population. Thank you.